You owe me.
Huh? You're breaking up.
No, I'm not.
I can't hear you. All right. Yeah, I'll talk to you later. All right. Bye. What's going on, guys? Today we're getting the 300 back in action. Doing a quick video. I'm going to be upgrading the headlights. So as you can see, they're pretty yellowish. These halogen bulbs that came in there. It's one of the only things that I don't like about my car. But we're going to be getting that fixed today because I ordered some LED bulbs. So we're going to go ahead and get those in. So I just need to pull my car out of the garage and turn it around. On the driver's side, I'm going to have to disconnect some of my cold air intake. I'm thinking I can probably just unscrew this piece here, this clamp, and pull this off. And then I'll probably have to pull the air box out in order to access the headlight. So the headlight should be here in a few hours or so. Just waiting on Amazon, but I'll go ahead and pull the cold air intake out. Pretty straightforward install. I'll put a picture up here of the lights that I ordered. They have pretty good reviews from what I saw on Amazon. I couldn't find any videos online of them though. We'll see how they work. They were only about $22 or so, I think, somewhere around there. I'll put a link in the description of the video so you guys can check it out. Alright guys, so now that I have the cold air intake out of the way, this is the part that we're working with here. And let me see. I think I need to push down on this piece here. There we go. Good God. That was way harder than it should have been. So this is the headlight itself right here. So we just need to unplug it and then we can unscrew it to get it out. On this side, it's right here. So same process. You have to push down on it to turn it. So on the passenger side, it's sitting right there. I pretty much have this area prepped now. So once the lights get here, it'll just take me a few minutes to swap those out and we'll be good. While I have this off though, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum out some of this area down there at the bottom of the intake. As you can see all that dirt down there. All right, so the lights came in, so let's go ahead and open this up, see what we got. So as you can see, 9005 is the bulb number, and I went with the 6000K, which is kind of a pure white. Let's see, the back, we just have perfect fitment, replaces old halogen bulbs easily, plug and play, instant on, no warm-up time, waterproof LED driver and connectors, EMC design, no errors. Lifespan more than 30,000 hours, so this should do the trick. Let's go ahead and get them out of the packaging here. See what we got here. So we have a user's manual, got a warranty card here, 2-year warranty, tells you how to contact them through Amazon. Hopefully I'll never need to use the warranty, but it's nice that it has a 2-year warranty in case something does go wrong. One thing I am curious about though is aiming the headlights. So let's see if the instructions say anything about that. Okay, so when the bulb goes in, the LED lights need to face left and right. So basically it's going to want to sit in like this inside the housing. I think we're going to install it actually something like this and then turn it to lock it in place. But these should be facing to the left and the right. So hopefully you guys can see this, but there are a negative and positive sign up there so that we know which side is which. This is the OEM bulb. This is the new one. And it is lined up correctly, so we can connect that in there like that. And then what they're saying to do is have the cord facing the 4 o'clock direction. So we're gonna go in something like this and then turn it. All right, so looks like it's in there. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. Huge difference. And you can even see the way it's shining yellowish over there. So yeah, it looks like it's in there. Let's go ahead and shut it down before this bulb gets too hot. So we're just gonna come in here. So we're gonna turn it counterclockwise to get this bulb out, the OEM bulb. Just pull it. This is the connector here. You guys can see that. And what you're gonna wanna do is push in on it like this, and then you can just lift the bulb right out. Again, paying attention to which side is positive, which side is negative. And it's locked in. It doesn't really make a clicking sound or anything though, but it is locked in. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get it in there. So there we go. All right, so looks good. It's exactly what I was looking for. And I know on film that the DRLs look like they're flickering, but that's just because of the frame rate that I'm recording at. So they aren't flickering in real life. Yeah, I like it. Nice and bright. The high beams work well too. But we'll get it out on the road so we can see how well it lights up. I'm gonna get Shamilia to take a look at it, see what she thinks. What do you think?
Aww. Oh, yeah.
They look a lot better, huh?
Yeah. Than the yellowish. What? Look at the same too. Like yellow. Look, man. I wish mine was pulled in so that I could compare now yours to mine.
Yours look about like this.
Not yeah.
They look good during the day anyway. We'll see what they look like at night, see how well it lights up the road. So let's go ahead and cut to that footage. Seems to be doing the job pretty well, but I can see. Right here it's really dark, you get a good view. And let me turn on the brights. Yeah, seems like everything's aligned properly. I'm getting good light on the road. It's not an extreme bright where I think it would blind someone coming towards me or anything, so that's good. I do want to see what it looks like compared to Shamilia's lights though, so I'm going to pull up next to her and then we'll take a look at both lights side by side. So you can see the light spread looks about even. So hers is a little more yellow than mine when it shines on the road, which is a little weird because when you look at it head on, it's white. It's not as white as mine, but yeah, so I don't think we'll be swapping hers out though. I think she likes those, so I don't know, we'll see. So thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for your support. Be sure to check the description of this video if you're interested in these lights on Amazon. Also, be sure to check out our sponsor, AmericanAuthority.com. Use our discount code SheFast for 5% off. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a like, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.